In a vibrant forest, 4 friends lived happily.
In the beautiful forest, 4 unlikely friends lived together. The wise crow, the clever mouse, the gentle turtle-tail, the graceful deer pavilion. Though different, they were the best of friends.
One day, danger struck. There you are!
We have to help, one.
Hey, you're quiet there! You never...
You coming?
You pests won't stop me!
Friends, save me!
Quiet, dear. I'll be back.
Please help me!
The friends gathered quickly.
I will chew the ropes! The hunter is coming!
I will distract the hunter.
I will block his path!
Come on, you slowpoke. That's it. Keep moving. The turtle made him fall. Ow!
The mouse worked quickly.
The deer was free. Let's go! Right behind you.
Together, they escaped safely.
We made it!
The hunter was defeated. Unity is strength. Together, we are stronger.
Subscribe for more amazing stories.